I'm a beautiful boas. This is going to be when you bring fidgets to part 1. So let's get started. This is stressful day at school. I'm going to need that stress ball I brought. This is so nice. I love it. This is why I bring fidgets to school. Amazing. Oh my goodness, is that a jumbo needle? I've been wanting a jumbo needle for so long. Yeah, it's a jumbo needle. Can I play with it? Can I play with it? Can I play with it? No, child, I just got this. Fine, I'm gonna tell the teacher. Mrs. Beck. Fine. You can play with it. Yay. Ooh, this is nice. It's finally day 2. And I brought this little bunny poppet, and I'm really obsessed with it. It's like my favorite poppet. Both of the sides are amazing. Oh my goodness. Is that a poppet? Yeah, why? That's my dream fidget toy. Can I play with it? Why does everyone keep asking to play with my fidgets? Like, no. Mrs. Levette, fine. Why did you so chat? Okay, call my name. Oh, I was just joking. Here is my poppet. This is amazing poppet. Yeah. I brought another fidget to school, but I really hope no one bothers me today. I brought this shaggy needle. Hopefully no one's gonna bother me. Can I play with your shaggy needle? Really want one? No, you can't play with my shaggy needle. Fine, then I'm gonna tell the whole class, and they all gonna want to play with it. And if you don't let the whole class play with it, well, I'll tell the teacher. Fine. Why are you ripping its shag off? What's wrong with you? Love it. Look, there's like shaving cream inside of it. Melody. Okay, I'll be taking that back now. It's the 4th day, and if I get another bother with my fidgets, I swear. And I probably shouldn't have done this, but I brought my favorite needle, my cat Nito. I really hope no one bothers me for my cat Nito today, because I just got this. Can I play with your cat Nito? Child, no. Just thought maybe I could play with it, because I've never played with the fidget before. Fine, you can play with it. Yay! I love it. My favorite. I'm not letting anyone play with this. It's my favorite. I absolutely love this putty. I don't care if anyone tells the teacher on me if they don't let them play with this. This is my favorite. I'm literally so obsessed with it. No, you can't. Please, I've never played a fidget before. Please, I beg you, please. I've always wanted to. I just thought maybe today would be my special play, but I guess not. Just keep it at this point. Yeah! This putty is amazing. Amazing. I love it. It's amazing. I want to give it to me now. You know what? Just keep it. Yeah, just keep it. I don't even care. Okay, so today I brought a tiny fidget to school so no one can beg me to play with a fidget. I brought this tiny flippy chain. Nobody should be able to see that. Yes, it's recess time. Yes, I'm so excited. Shoot, I dropped my flippy chain. Is that a flippy chain? No. That's my dream fidget. Takes it and runs away with it. Bye, boy. Why?